Welcome from Maths and Science by IITian channel. Today I will be taking up a series and sequence problem. A sequence is made from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to infinity. What is the value of x infinity? What is the value of x infinity in the series when x1 initial value is 23 and the middle values are given for any n. Xn plus 1 is equal to cube the root of xn plus 210. This is the question. It's a very interesting and excellent question. Let us try to solve it. Here x1 initial value is given as 23. Then what will be x2? x2 will be cube the root of x1 plus 210. That is cube the root of 23 plus 210. That is cube the root of 233. Now, what will be the x3 value? x3 is equal to cube the root of x2 plus 210. That is equal to cube the root of 233 plus 210. You please see the sequence. What is the value of x4? Cube the root of 233 plus 210. This is the x3 value. x3 plus another cube the root we have to take. Cube the root of plus 210. Are you able to understand? That means for every step, for every value of n increasing by 1, the root is increasing. It is cube the root. What we have taken is. Now, similarly, if we go to n plus 1, that is equal to cube the root of xn plus 210. That's what is given. x4 is known, x5 is known till up to infinity. Now, at infinity, we can safely assume that xn plus 1 is equal to xn. Let this value be a. Then what's happening here? How can I write the equation? xn plus 1 is equal to cube the root of xn plus 210. It implies a is equal to cube the root of a plus 210. That means a cube is equal to, by cubing both the sides, a cube is equal to a plus 210. That means a cube minus a minus 210 is equal to 0. For what value of positive a value, this equation will have a solution. If a is equal to 6, that means a cube is equal to 216. A is equal to 6. That means left hand side is equal to a cube minus a minus 210 is equal to 216, or we can even say 6 cube minus 6 minus 210, that is equal to 0. That means the above equation has a solution at a is equal to 6. This is the real root of the equation. Then we have already seen at n is equal to infinity, a is equal to 6. That means x infinity is equal to 6. This is the answer. Because x infinity or x infinity plus 1 or x infinity, almost they are of the same value, because it converges to infinity, infinity plus 1 or infinity minus 1, it doesn't carry any difference in mathematical meaning. Hence, x infinity is equal to 6, because xn plus 1 is equal to xn is equal to a, yet n tends to infinity. Therefore, x infinity is equal to 6. This is the value of the given equation when x1 is equal to 23 and xn plus 1 is equal to cubed root of xn plus 210. If you see the initial value, when n tends to infinity, the initial value 23 lost its importance. That is the beauty of this equation. For example, x1 is equal to 23. Now, x2 is equal to, I have already given you, cubed root of 233. That is approximately equal to 6.15. And what will be x3? Cubed root of 6.15 plus 210. That is approximately equal to cubed root of 216.5. That is approximately equal to 216.5 is approximately equal to 6.001. x4 is equal to cubed root of 6.001 plus 210. That is approximately equal to 6.000. That means the value of after x4, the value of xn is converging to a fixed value as x infinity is equal to 6. There is not much difference between x infinity and maybe x 100 or x 1000 or x 2000, x 10,000. This is the beauty of the equation. You just see initial value is 23. It has relevance only up to the first step. Afterwards, the value of the x reduced drastically in such a way that x infinity converges to value 6. This is what I wanted to show you. Even I have explained in my previous videos, square root of 2, again square root of 2, square root of 2. If you remember this value, which I have already explained you. Similarly, here it is square root of something plus 210, square root of something plus 210, something plus 210. the 6 plus 210, 6 plus 210. Initially the 6 plus something, that is in decimals, plus 210, almost it reached to a fixed value of 6. This is the solution for this equation, and I am from Maths and Science by IITian channel, and I have released almost 27 videos from this channel on various topics for Maths Olympiad and IIT JEE. Why I have taken up this question? I want to show that the initial value, whatever may be the x1, it does not have any relevance when n tends to infinity in this type of questions. In the objective type answers, to confuse the examinees, 23 will be added in the answer. So that because x1 is equal to 23, people will be tempted to answer that, to put that answer as the correct answer. No. x1 does not have any relevance in this question. Try to understand that when n tends to infinity on certain series, this x1 does not, initial value does not have any impact. Please try to understand that. To make you understand that one, I have taken this particular good example, and like this many, almost 25 questions are made by me and put in videos. I will put the link, playlist link to this video, so that you can see all the videos connected to this video in the description. Please see all the videos, try to understand the concepts, and they are very good, thought provoking for Maths Olympiad and IIT JEE examinations. Please subscribe to my channel. If you feel there is an value addition because of these problems, there is a value addition for you, please subscribe to my channel and get the regular updates. Thank you for listening to me, and I am from Maths and Science by IITian. That is my channel name, and best of luck in your examinations. Thank you again for listening to me.